Hopeson for a higher juicy news. Mima Obibia Akwaba. Latest hot news and I'm a bravo. Now, answer is something in our bebano. Pomodi say over subscribe to channel. Now, while like video, give us a thumbs up. Nafi Sheba or Fufrosuna when you be here. Now, who is someone Elcoso El Ghana Memo Hanum. I feel you share a year and someone abeto yaponoso. You could see a year Sansamoya Kosi, Mama Intia a young Komoya Kosui.
Police are extradition order not so from America. It's a bail of indictment, it's a bail of extradition. Final to TV so. Niankai. I tell you now, 34 Yanaran Kong presenters no. Nyabini yeti hano. NPP 40 3 then this is for no soldier.
Me that you for na say nyame chi obi arade mo bi na 150 years
when you are an attorney general and you speak like this now person what you say anti Samuel Okujato sa de na we are na banasa katida Okujato sa obo you are part of cabinet Adelaide Eti Attorney General Kwabena Ghana for say as a foreign affairs minister Samuel Okujato Black say pam no cause they hunu no about say bail of indictment refers to the process where a person already under indictment formally charged with a serious crime by a grand jury seeks release from bail by meeting the court's condition often involving money or a promise to await trial. If out on bail, when indicted, it's often continued. If arrested after indictment, a judge decides on bail, considering risk to public safety and flight risk, with the goal of ensuring appearance in court while respecting the presumption of innocence. So what is the Attorney General talking about? Some Attorney General, no. Then a person otchere. NPP 40 Triasika. Then this is for the soldier. NPP 40 Triasika. Then this is for the soldier. Pre-bargaining. NPP 40 Triasiko. I said come the bell neba. NPP 40 Triasiko. Na NDC for no soji. NPP 40 Triasiko.
Who am he pass our boy?
NDC for soji.
NPP ni
me pedo benya kukuduro so ba betna ha ayabra ba powo nsema ma Kristo Yesu aye kodi the convention
who am he pass our boy
ene ma ekoso no nyawo ene ma na ekoso no enyawo there's a way of managing deception. If you want to deceive me, manage it. Never, ever paint it right before my eyes. No, what do you say? Sabe me pese me busa Ghana penny for say I be ano. Say yema obi adwuma na nipa no bu president animtia sa nipa no ye ndey Peter say president oye John Mahama ama adwuma bi say ye na say wo bu president na animtia say wo mfa ni die ma no say wo ye obi a wabo din say be ye adwuma ma no e say ye odey I say inadi, yes sir. Tis a sign parent to one yin at the another naba. Nay, didn't I? Hey, Nanado, a man woman who say, so we a minister no utria, yen reshuffle. Minister utria. There are person who says, Umutria the same. But I say, yeah, Minister, we utria bruta. Would I have a heno? I'm so wow. Utriampa. Minister, sir, Umutria. You could do and as usual of me when himself from 18th, there could be an Ayana Meshada to me boss, na yet to me the every na fino ayakono. And near my bakumi no be a coso a woman ha. Ebusafo maybe wo any pebidin na makache o what to ho asese. Said ye ade no ye draw no kono lie wom. Better what Attorney General ni asamo kan ye about Ken Ofori Atta. Say Ghana for ye ya sorry na. Ye team say ye mfa Ken Ofori Atta mra. Because omodi abrantie bi ko ene ya san be chi abotre kade ne ko. Asem no kan ye ni nyina no de opeso chi nyina ne say Ken Ofori Atta onye mfomso bia. I forwarded it to the producer. Producer, bo Ghana for mo amotebrofo no munyi mo asum na muntie John Dramani Mahama na Attorney General no ti se be catch o say nanado ani aban we negotiate wo mu din komo sa ade bia Ken Ofori Atta ye mfa nche na wutie Attorney General wi a maka to se me nka asem kwa ansa na mebie ma no ye aka asem no na minim dia meka age wo ye wadwen se wo kokota wo promise judge se wo be man promotion on say judge on say promotion yan fama be cause why high court judge ase wo ya make mu tro na date nto 18th December me ba be kire mu judge ye promise 2024 say ye be promote from high court to appeals court judge would that high court wo be ka ho. Let's say the promotion now, Metro petition.
Captain Smart.
Now the videos and pictures are kahon awujiska.
He is smart. He is unique.
Me mo judge ni
He's the best.
Captain
Smart is
Ada. Kromha. Mete say wo. When your promotion, now your man so free high court, aqua appeals court, Metro petition against you. Now the videos and pictures akaho I'm a Ghana for who say which is Jessica because you were promised say you be promote you yet say my na ya ma o appeals court judge bini oh see what any general see no
There has been a lot of talk on both mainstream and social media regarding what is happening.
Hey, pause it. Pause it. Any probably a lot of talk. Some politicians catch us a lot of talk. Or person catch us all your kwasia. So who the man catch that one? Some politician. Ebien no catch us say. There has been a lot of talk. Or person catch us a war. Who na wuti or no na kasa no. Talk na ye kasa. Eni pagana for kasa inano. Sabi ye kwasia for. I say there has been a lot of talk about the air coso. Kasa bebre. Air coso or the air coso no to aso.
There has been a lot of talk on both mainstream and social media.
But I say mainstream no yeah. Yeah, TV so, radio so, and social media no to aso.
Regarding what is happening. All right. In a nutshell, the processes have begun for the request to be made
Okay, pause it. Or say, in a nutshell, no. Say, somebody in area and say, Teo, Wamu ya shasiye. Processes had begun. Sabro funo kan en say, yewie. Wamu ya shasiye. Kwenya wo faswa. Wode Ken Ofori Atta beba. Yedi afe e wa bem. Aban we nim kwanya obefa so a ode Ken Ofori Atta beba. So what it means is that even red alert na omu issue ye no na John Mahama ne na ban e da Ghana for
we bibini
hello
bibini ye nipa o ojai
because negotiations are koso nkomodi e koso munja Ken mayen mo betimi di obi a e be ma nkrofo na mo yusu o mo de wo makogu jail ba Ken de e pamacho ojai mo ti obi a munja Ken mo de mo ti obi a mo pesa mo che no ba Ken de munja no producer to aso nya me na make o e brofo.
The request will be made to the American authorities.
See a faina
When doing it,
unguso na ya tro na ya ni America akasa request any plea order difference room. I am requesting that Captain Smart will be asked
when
to travel to Kumasi tomorrow. It's a request. It's an honorable plea. My plea that the theater go be made to read the news until she's no more. Difference room. I am ordering management. And also difference room. Extradition. The new request our extradition. Don't cancel some attorney general. There's no extradition request or extradition plea. There's always an extradition order. So what is request? What is plea? Abaywe any Akufo Addo negotiate. Abaywe Nanado oni Abaywe negotiate. Twaso.
extradition, you cannot make a request unless you have a solid case, a docket that has been built.
But that's it, pause it. Or say it's as you know. Won't Timin Kassa, won't Kassa Yamfa or Bimfia Bruchemra, your person refer to Ken Ofori Atta. Say Yamfa Ken Ofori Atta Mbra Ghana. Wa bra won building case. Wuni assembly antia. Esese e Ken Ofori Atta ba. Enti Ghana for the etienne say e dada Accra e na John Mahama ban yen. Enti the etienne say abaini ni case bia washa say oyo. Won share ase. Every January 7th, every 18th December. SSA will build a solid case. What it means is that Abaywe on to build a solid case against Ken Ofori Atta. What do you mean here? Negotiations are also. Omu negotiate. Peter, make some way. NDC 4 pound bet challenge na ba ko metra sika NPP 4 tuama NDC mpani 4 bi won sika nkofo tua wo krom ha no sika nkofo etiatia e wo krom ha no John ehu o wada ba wo nan gu abonten. Your so-called ministers, your so-called appointees, they are taking money. Dollar, city, pound. Because Attorney General na catch say wa catch nkrofo na o madi bone ni say o mo mmra na negotiate anaboa. Na sa woni criminal e negotiate a. Ada na de oje obi mobile phone na wo secret no woni negotiate. The way we are buying sika asesa Ghana Japade afa koti kwan so ama omanya sei no ono ye ne negotiate but you kwatwa obi board there pe because a common de no wa bra Yesu Kristo kra ko bi obi aburo Yesu anka nche buro wura nura ye chi Yesu no ye chi no Yesu ye chi no e ka de ke be bun se kromfo e Bible gwen Yesu on man say se common de na kofa de a ene enya hwe bini how can we say that our judges are aware? Says obi ko twa obi aburo obi obi board ya sa ni pana ye come to no ko twa ye ni ye na tumu and the Attorney General's office any jupo judicial police one is sa ni pana ko twa obi board ye no ana de obi mobile phone no and negotiate say a day now go for board here no o say come na dem and your board here ye pacho man be a quarter of an acre no dia board here for from am na branch in fa no nkodi na obi akotwa obi board here akokọ ba akopẹ na judge etimi atena konwama ka kire say the intent adwe na wa branch ni tirim a o de kọche akokọ no na sa obi oche akokọ dance on 12 years bini na judge etimi atena konwama ka say winim say akokọ ni timi bon kokroko e me ye ina ye timi te na ye timi asore na anye late ankọ adwuma judge a wuti otekuma say na judge otenkran kokroko ba ntama akokọ obe na judge otis legon obeche kokroko akukọ obon bantama na jaja otis legon obeche ni ye de akwana kotu 12 solid years John adena shase intercepted we me yan shase o in some me broso after Christmas no me metwa ko me do nyame me maka so say me man 1 year anamwa 1 year no so say 24 ka sa fin cheba say ya mpa 7 January ya John na 1 year na so me dey say me go abonti o me ka kira mo no bi ada no ho so me say January we be reshuffle. But the point is that as I say ama wo hu niam bi say eniam bi koso asase so a yenya yete akire no perception is a key thing in governance. Perception is a very key thing in governance. And John, if you are not careful, perception will become reduction. Anytime you fail to deal with perception, it becomes reduction. Listen and listen good. Anytime as a politician, you fail to deal with perception, that perception becomes reduction. And when your fame, your favor is reducing, that is when you will come to appreciate the fact, say, the people that voted for you, they are not fools. They are not fools. Sir, we are Ghana Sikadia, you know negotiating. Me prefer if you have to go mobile phone now, no negotiation.
Someone here.
Said the NPP for a board my way for no NDC for no. And what do you? They are paying, and you know they are paying. I know they are paying. We know they are paying because the Attorney General says let's negotiate. Come and let's pray bargain. Mefia, who could me as a bargain and the teacher say, Yeniano bargain, brofo. Gaining what is in the bag, and your English word, a Latin Hebrew word. Gaining what is in the bag. Adena Yadia Shebuno, who ye baby were home, they are saying ye free. And your friend bargaining. And to come, let's do a pre-bargaining. Mobia Mbuyen say, no. Sada tiene, ye ate. It is our Attorney General catch us say NPP for na area sika who abok no one bra for pre-bargaining na. What it means is that the people will gain whatever was put in the oral bag. Yenim de ekwaso John. Ba ekodi bro yentina mato me bosa ano. Akabaye te se ma. Producer to aso. Attorney General na kasa to aso. Asame na ba.
Not make a request unless you have a solid case, a docket that has been built.
Okay.
And
or say, as a a solid case, maybe I saw the camera follow us. As a solid case and a docket that has been built. Mamen sure sabro funum. Or say as a sama. Who bet me the ejina so? Ama Ken Ofori Atta Ghana. Na afei enye se case kekewu. Case ensuo wom. Case won jina so. Case ano hye. And number 2. SSA which we build docket. Docket ne kire se ye bebo ma afia kwadu. Se wa fa Captain Smart iPad. Yebebo afia kwadu se wa fa Captain Smart mobile phone. It is say ya me no kase Ghana for yima so na muteye. Case na ye de court na Ken Ofori Atta din wo mu no. Patanya solid case.
Ghana for watch no.
So called Office of the Special Prosecutor. Or say or the Ken Ofori Atta and 7 and or 6 others. All others being equal. At one court, Ken Ofori Atta didn't come. It is a Attorney General Baba Kachina was say, I respect the office of the special prosecutor. I honor his autonomy. And then Attorney General ne OSP. When we starting to quite maybe catch us say, hey, hello. Kisi Agyapong. Any Dominica Yeni. Hey, hello. Hey, lie. And to what? Wamu sheda na muya say wamu kuna NDC for ehuru yakodi eye Dominica Yeni echi na NPP for ehuru yakodi Kisi Agyapong na ye Ghana for ne o ma kire say ye nkwasiafo
Ghana for watch no
eti say na Kisi Agyapong case na e wo court no enye solid case any substance
watch braye.
It is Attorney General say or person a building docket yes stronger the Office of the Special Prosecutor they are court to mpacho and where there la ilaha illallah bismillahir rahmanir rahim anshadu Allah. Producer to aso.
Case of the Americans, the practice is for you to have filed charges.
Okay. Pause it. Or say answer na between you obi efi America dina ba Ghana ha no esese wa file charges against any panel person on the bano charges no charge Kwaku Annan mama show mu charges ni na say you do akọ post station and a post for ball kwadu say why you born way and one no charges na no ni na say abro from kan na ni na no
watch no
and Office of the Special Prosecutor odi Ken Ofori Atta court and yes civil suit a criminal suit it is a SSA who file charges me busa mo Attorney General no me say NDC for GGC Cafe NPP for me na make you are taking money NPP for the chair NDC for so J me na catch now say me nsuro no kure kan enti woni me nama ye careful and when I'm papa penny na me friend mafia and I'm papa penny tin kam and a JB abante be friend papa no abante bo me na papa ndi phone to speaker I say, Captain, I'm saying, yes, sir. I say, listen. And then he put a car and some. Ebam. We are no catch and say, I will call you tomorrow to my office and I will invite Captain Smart also to come. So you can say this before Captain Smart. I say, oh, boss, this is not what I'm saying you. What I'm trying to say is that, you see, I heard it from, I said, no. Time now, who Casano. One can't tell me say who kote wo baby. What say wo na wo kana wo nim dia wo kan te akira no pa. Captain pu adwuma. My friend aba me office. Na wo so aba ho no aba yi ano.
Wache braye.
Sabe best start if aba wo sui. Na branch ni mpa cho wi. Ohu abeg wi. We dey man kan kiro. Na papa ne ka kire no come say captain is here, talk to him. Ojai. Kan mo aye to say. Samampum di. We. Usro no kure kan aya membie wa no. Me say NDC for no jijisika if NPP for edi bone ho. They are paying. We are Ghana ni am wani na ho. Na nkrofo ni tua, na nkrofo no so je. Enti o say SSA wutimi charge nipa no. Ubo ma afia kwadu. Patron there, Office of the Special Prosecutor. Edi court na Ken Ofori Atta kan ho no. Nti sa kwadu no, eno ye kwadu be ya. Attorney General.
Ya tete so mo say.
Hey, ewurade ye nya nkopon.
Wait.
Ghana for.
Producer Twaso.
So, for instance, when Kofi Boateng, when we extradited Kofi Boateng, is it no Kojo Boateng, to the US on the request of the Justice Department?
Okay, pause it. Oh, see, Kojo Boateng na yebe fa no krom ha sa branch na omo de kwa America. So we didn't perform on no. A Justice Department of the United States of America for atemwo aseye. And a truck crata ba say ye de kwadu enya abono. Meanwhile, Kojo Boateng no e Ghana ni anaso no American.
Mayana manye.
Kojo Boateng no o American ni anaso e Ghana ni mi bu sabi ni. Eti ye de kwadu aba branche no enu ti ye be fa ni fi Ghana. Ye de ne koi. Se kwadu ni ye nokre. Se kwadu no nya nokre. Ya bono kwadu. Nti ase ebe fa ne ko patro Ken Ofori Atta ya bonu kwadu anase ye mono Office of the Special Prosecutor abonu kwadu so no ni panson ese so yi nsem bia no afri say nwa bo man kro no but Attorney General say Ken Ofori Atta yentimi mfa ne ma to aso
This. The Justice Department actually sent me what they call the bill of indictment.
Okay, yeah. Or say, Justice Department of the United States, that's a bill of indictment. The attorney say, yeah, the baby to a branch and so a bafia so a chest, sir. As I say, I didn't baffy. You find a American in the Nassen. In Patron, the Office of the Special Prosecutor, and the Ato, a year, Ken Ofori Atta sono. Indicted Ken Ofori Atta and I say indicted no. And I know I got a muso, but then in a benum. Wow. Wow. John Dramani Mahama, you got to be careful. You got to be careful. Me instruct no crack cow. It's one in my ye careful. John, this is dangerous. Pacho, producer Twaso.
All right, that's the charge. Those are the charges. They sent me the charges, the supporting facts, and everything. And ladies and gentlemen, they spent 6 years investigating the syndicate of criminals that included, Kojo Boateng.
Me I say, pause it, producer, pause it. Yeah. It's a Attorney General catches investigators. I'm going to what Jimmy. Attorney General say, Office of the Special Prosecutor. What Jimmy? I'm not the one saying it. You see, Attorney General say, ladies and gentlemen, a person would say, once say, America for the infiancia, and a year shemu, yen quiet and a broom fiancia, can operate or the infian watch it, and this answer who know, and I'm one. Some of the documents are Office of the Special Prosecutor, the court, it dated back to 2019, 2020, 2018, for 2019. 2018, Fabra Abesi 2024, and if Abesi 2025, me patron chance me anya me photo, mo be tape am njanchen. I am doing my show. It's your responsibility as a camera person. Don't disturb me. Me me yaba djuma. I'm me fa ho. Obi an from Pentecost platform. Entity. If 2018, if you can 18. From Sabra 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And the America the influence a share. Kojo Boakye Agyarko. Yet the influence. What is the Attorney General talking about? Play bargaining and pa. Yendi anu ampa. Yebedi anu. Wow. Wow. Pacho, Twasu producer.
6 years. All right. So the point that we have made, that my deputy made, is that without a docket, we cannot make the request.
Okay.
So we are still waiting for the docket. That is all I can say for now.
Producer. What's the crowd? I can't from the master member. Maulepe. Or say, Attorney General say, docket be a new ha. Ghana Baya John Mahamadu Bawumia on to be droshy. May am fa Ken Ofori Atta ma. Mafia. Because I never bedroom. Jamie. I tell you, producer, Koachine some boss abro for the money. Or say, are you ready? I catch me. Attorney General say, so I want to be in your docket. And ya, some of the bets here Ken Ofori Atta. What would be that request to be? I say, you're fucking Ofori Atta. Wow. Wow! Bibini and Nipo. Auntie Chesa, now say I don't get ya. Oh, yes, say it. You go 40. No, that's what you do. No, one party 40 at home. Johnson, yeah, me cry at Mohammed, sister, me cry. I just, yeah, Sunday at Tete. Hey, I need to follow Cratcher. What is I ready, Anna? Afa, bo.
Kojo Boakye, 6 years. All right. So the point that we have made, that my deputy made, is that without a docket.
Pause. We are not. Also, the point that we have made, we need to say, yeah, now you want NDC cabinet in him. Cabinet is Mahamadu Bawumia. But you need to not take me. Near who's been America. Cabinet, I am Mahamadu Bawumia. We know constituency organize and come home. But we know Central Region NDC chairman Professor Sedu on come home. We know Bina cabinet Dan cabinet John Mahamadu Bawumia Jena no Kweku Annan vice president. We know and on Sabeka my deputy, meaning that we for no and we know. And here you are, you are not director or Yakwada. Get one say, Wona Kwana Kwaka. Boss, those are the we are rulers. Oh, we don't have control. I just get it. As I'm back at the Macachino. We are not in deputies today. To us, producer.
We cannot make the request. So we are still waiting for the docket.
What I say, we cannot make the day the request. We cannot, producer Bohonum Kwabium, we cannot make the request. Bohonum Kwa, But
cannot make the request.
We cannot make the request.
So we are still waiting for the docket. That is all I can.
It's the Attorney General say. Want to be making requests to be a Ken Ofori Atta. They are still waiting for the docket. But who are you waiting the docket from? Why necessary the docket? Because yet the Kwabena Agyapong said what oral operation recover all loot. And I'm the former Auditor General Dominic Domlevel. Any Raymond Acha Ekoka home Martin Pebu come clean. Martin. Somebody should tell Martin Pebu any Kofi Boakye that they should come clean. Something is happening. We want to understand. Now, let's say oral no ya seiska. Ya say adaje. Ya bok Kennedy Agyapong kai. Kwabena bokegu. Galafo ya bokagu Kwabena me duty abeti Akufo Addo maybe NPP Kwabena ya bokagu mo me mistiano it's not just say ora no e say hunu amebobra bi ama he John mama mama NAPO NAPO na see I na tia to so ba bia ne ho ba NAPO NAPO. I said, we're not going to go back. NAPO. Ambulance for them. Say, Asare. Ya Boakye Garafo, ya Boakye. Producer, Twaso.
I've read everything that has been said by the OSP and his office. I respect his office. I respect the autonomy of the office and so.
But Attorney General and phone in for the name to her. Na yama na make hu. No bi anka se makofa audio bi na mebo. Eyo no a. Ama obi akoka hwe. Mu Attorney General no. Where come on,
we cannot make the request. So we are still waiting for the docket. That is all I can say for now. I've read everything that has been said by the OSP and his office. I respect his office. I respect the autonomy of the office and so on. Okay, but we
OSP to Kasai. Una we Attorney General. I respect his office. I respect his autonomy. I respect his dead. You really the president to make a and say, majority chief whip and the majority leader. At the end of my filing, Peter Tini, our parliament, I just say, on person most scrappy office of the special prosecutor, John Mahama Jai. While redraw. Attorney General say, I respect the office. I respect the autonomy. I respect. What papa we kuntokwa wo Attorney General. Dominic Ayeni, when Kisi Agyapong kuntokwa. Yan scrappy. Where we Attorney General, what we are drafted. Nkrata yan fan kwa scrappy. Afedie, mu negotiate pre-bargaining. NPP for the Cheska NDC for no soje. NPP for the Triado NDC for no soje. Hey, what is Obia Sambela Manapu? I don't tell them Yoku. Napo report or Yoku. I don't tell Napo. Yanchin Nobia Sambeli Mano. But Professor Christopher Amiwe Kumfi, Sika Papa NDB. no ye mistake transfer ekoma Ken Ofori Atta say Ken Ofori Atta say yen transfer mra or transfer sika no coin papa akokora odema no nyo bia kura nsan be ma no say na poda bi okoyoko. This was said by him. NAPO said, all the car badge was a power badge. John Mahama, Ekofefi UAE, Edibesi ha, $20 million. Or Tabadiana free ha, Afria Fakuma ha, Akwasa, 45 million. The Odifi abroche by any 25. John Mahama no dia de fi abroche ba ye no 25 million pe. Na Port Tamade na fi nkran. Adia kokumase $45 million. Na poko yoku negotiation pre-bargaining ntimi nchi na po. NPP for the Cheska NDC for no soje.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.